Howdy y'all, know it's been a while since the last video. I think it's been a couple weeks. Haven't really got any work done on the truck. Been just doing other stuff, a little bit of travel. But finally got a hold of the shop making my drive shaft, and they said it's ready, so I'm headed to pick it up now before they close. Actually about to pull up, but should be able to get it installed tonight. I've had it installed and back out like 3 times now. Hopefully this is the last one. We'll see. Alright, I just picked up the drive shaft over here in C&T, and it's looking great. I'll give you a look so you can see what it's looking like. It looks great, and then we'll get it back and get it installed. This thing is gonna be perfect. Already got all my U-joints, slip yokes, and everything on there. Should be ready to go for us. Now we just got to get it installed and hope this thing can handle all this new power. Alright, y'all, picked up the drive shaft and got home, and time to get this thing in. So here we go. Take this beast, get it up in here, and then we can do the U-bolts at the back. I've already jacked up the rear end so that I can spin the U-bolts. Let's get this drive shaft up in here though. Drive shaft is in. It's perfect, but I knew that fit. I already had that before, so now we'll take this all the way down here. Get this
Should have been nice. Get this tape off of here.
perfect. Tighten these down. There it is. Drive shaft is in and should be done. Let's take a look at how much is in here. Looks much better than before, so we'll call that good. And drive shaft is in. We'll move. So I guess for now, exhaust is going to take someone that can weld. Fortunately, I don't have a welder and probably am not good enough to do an exhaust, so we'll be skipping that for now. So the drive shaft's in. Now that the drive shaft's in, might just do a little bit of cleanup and probably call it for the night. It's kind of getting later than I wanted, but we're getting very close to starting this thing up. Can't wait. I might do a live for it, or maybe just make a video. So if you like the updates, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more, and I guess stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.